Hello and welcome to our Linux tutorials. And today we will install FileZilla FTP client on Linux Ubuntu 24.2.0. To make it, we will open the terminal. We need super user permissions. Firstly, we will run the command sudo apt update to update on dependencies on system, and then we will, it says sudo apt install FileZilla -y, which will install FileZilla FTP clients in a few seconds. Once setup is done, you could open the applications, and if you scroll a bit, you will find the FileZilla FTP client. You will find this icon, FileZilla, and you could launch the application and to transfer the files as you need. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment this video, and also come back for new videos. Don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. See you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.